CEDEF, Syndicat des Eaux d'Île-de-France, is responsible for providing safe drinking water to 4.5 million users in 150 municipalities spread over 7 departments. CEDEF wanted to understand how they could enhance their resilience to a major emergency on their network, such as the accidental or intentional contamination or breakdown of a major production site, and how they could manage such an event in real time. By modeling the water system of Paris, identifying critical consumption points, distribution points, and pumping stations, planners can run simulations in order to determine the optimal response to any water infrastructure emergency, either before the event or in real time when under real constraints. At Cosmo Tech, we realize that OFWAT is putting resilience high on the agenda, with climate change and extreme weather conditions making planning for critical events ever more important. Pulse, a decision-making tool developed by Cosmo Tech for CEDEF, responds to this problem by considering a large-scale crisis affecting the water distribution system as a whole. Users can benefit from Pulse in several ways: improve planning to deal with severe supply and treatment failure, manage the appropriate resources to avoid risks to vulnerable customers by planning the optimal distribution points, efficient recovery following events to ensure service is not unduly impacted, build customer trust through improved planning, minimizing risk to customers, improve resilience planning to regulators. Both ahead of and during a major crisis, Pulse makes it possible to prepare and compare the implementation of multiple emergency plans, enabling the various stakeholders to make optimal decisions. During a crisis, it makes possible a planned and tested response, a controlled transition from normal to emergency mode, always guaranteeing the supply of a minimum amount of drinking water throughout the duration of the crisis.